Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to check or manage your iCloud password step by step if you have forgotten your password or want to verify your account security. This tutorial is for you. On your web browser, all you need to do is go to your iCloud or type iCloud so that you will be redirected to the iCloud web page. Once you are there, click on iCloud and then click on Sign In. When you reach the Sign In page, enter the email that you have used for your account. Here, you can manage or check your password by entering or typing the password. If you have forgotten your password, click Forgot Password. As you can see, this service may be unavailable if we are not using an Apple device. But if you do not know the password, click Forgot Password, and you will be able to choose a new password for your Apple account. The system will help you manage the new password, and you just need to confirm it by your email so that you will have a new password. Remember to check everything properly to make sure you have the correct iCloud password on your iOS device. This tutorial will help you understand how the iCloud password works and how to safely check, reset, or recover your ID password through your device settings or the Apple account recovery option. It will guide you through the proper steps to regain access securely by clicking Forgot Password if you have already forgotten it. That's it. Now you know how to check your iCloud password.